Good day, children. Buenos días, niños. My name is Professor Parrot. Me llamo Profesor Perico. I speak all the languages in the world. Yo hablo todos los idiomas en el mundo. Welcome to an exciting new world of adventures and friends. Aventuras y amigos.
It is spelled E-N-G.
What's happening here? ¿Qué pasa aquí? I see children who would like to be friends, amigos, but they do not speak the same language. These children are speaking English, and these are speaking Spanish, español. They are using different words, and they cannot understand each other. They need my help, and they need it now. Ahora mismo. Vámonos.